Hello everyone. So now in this video we'll see about the detail level. So here you can see this rectangle. This one is our detail level. See, it is showing the current detail level is as a coarse. So what is mean by detail level? Basically, you can see currently you can see here I have drawn the wall, right? So currently the detail level of this wall is coarse. So uh, what if I just make it as a medium or fine, then how it will look? So basically, let me just first click on the medium. So if I just click on the medium, so you can see the more detailing of this wall. See, you can see if I just make it as a course, then you can see the less detailing of the wall. If I just make it as a medium, then you can basically see the more detailing of this wall. If I just make it as a fine, then let me make it as a, yeah, now it is fine. Then in the fine, you can see the much more detailing, right? Now I will show you the detailing for this door also. So let me go in the west view. So here you can see this one is our door, right? Uh, so first let me make it as a coarse one. So you can see this one is our door. So if currently the detail level for the door is basically this complete view is coarse. So if I just make it as a medium, then see the more detail you can see on here. If I just make it as a fine, then you can see much more detail for this door, right? So let me show you in the more perfect manner. If I just click on the course, then less detailing. If I just increase to medium, then the detailing level is increasing. If I just move more further, I just click on the fine, then the more number of detailing you can see.